Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free professional soft skills courses that are available in LinkedIn Learning. The courses which we'll be seeing in this video are absolutely free. You don't have to use your free month trial, or you don't have to give any card details. You don't have to pay for anything. It's absolutely free. You can just create your LinkedIn account and enroll in these free courses, and after completing the courses, you can also get a free certificate. So now let's see the courses. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So let's see the first course in the list. First one is developing your emotional intelligence, and this is a beginner level course, and on the right side you can see the table of contents for this course. So these are the things like understanding emotional intelligence, being self-aware, managing yourself, social awareness, managing relationships. So whatever you see under contents are the things that you'll be learning in the course. And if you want to know more details, you can just scroll down. You will see the course instructor and the skills covered in this particular course and the viewers of this course, that is the total enrollments of this course. So for this one, more than 8 lakh students have already enrolled in and are taking this course. So the first course is developing your emotional intelligence. Let's move on to the next one now, which is building resilience. So in this course, you'll be learning about what is resilience, and you'll get the training for resilience for post and pre-event. So this is the second one, and this is a general course. You can just scroll down and see more details of the course. So the second one is building resilience. Third one is embracing unexpected change, and this is a general course, and putting change in context is the topic covered in this course. Then let's move on to the fourth one now, which is critical thinking for better judgment and decision making. So in this course, you'll be learning about the critical thinking difference, minimizing bad judgment, improving decision quality, critical thinking fallacies, and creating the critical thinking culture of curiosity. So these are the things that will be covered in this course, and this is an advanced level course. So this is the fourth one, I guess. Let's move on to the fifth one now, which is why trust matters with 𝘼𝙇𝙀𝙀. And in this course, you'll be learning about embracing trust leaps, navigating distrust, and traits of trustworthy people. So this is a general course. Next one is teamwork foundations. This is a beginner level course, and here you can see what are the topics that will be covered in this one. And next one is communication foundations, and this is also a beginner level course. And in this course, you'll be learning about the 4 communication building blocks, and the communication for common situations and communications for challenging situations. So these topics will be covered in this particular course. Next one is effective listening, and this is a general course. In this course, you'll be learning about assessing your listening skills, challenging to listening, effective listening behaviors. So all these topics will be covered. Let's move on to the next one now, which is persuading others. So this is a beginner level course again, and here you can see the topics covered. And if you want to know more details, you can just scroll down here. You will see what are the skills covered in this course, and the viewers and the instructors. All the details will be given beneath the course here. And the next one is writing in plain language. And in this course, you'll be learning about things like write to increase comprehensions, how to write in a personal modern style, and 2 more topics are covered here. And in this course, you can gain skills like writing and plain language. And 40,000 plus students have already enrolled in this course so far. And the last one, that is the 11th course in the list, is banish your inner critic to unleash creativity. And this is a general course, and here you can see the table of contents. And let's see what are the skills that you will get in this course. So you'll gain skills like self-confidence and creativity. And this is the last course. As I said, we have seen 11 free professional soft skill courses in this video now. So let's see how to enroll in these courses now. Before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. So now let us see how to enroll in the course. For example, let's enroll in this developing your emotional intelligence. So just click on this sign in button, and then you will be directed to this page. If you already have a LinkedIn account, you can just give your email ID and proceed and log into your account, or else just click on this join now. I mean, if you are new to LinkedIn, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, click on this join now and create your LinkedIn account by giving the details here, or else use your Google account to create an account in LinkedIn. I already have account in LinkedIn Learning, so let me log into my account and catch up after that. So once you create your account and log into your account, you can just straight away enroll in this course. Since I clicked on the sign in button from the course page, I have been automatically enrolled in this course now. So here again you can see the table of contents on the left side, and once you complete the course you can just click on this show all near certificates. Just click on it, and here you will see what are the certificates that you can get for this particular LinkedIn course. So for this particular course, you can get two certificates. One is LinkedIn Learning Certificate, and the other one is a certificate from PMI, that is Project Management Institute. So once you complete the course, this will become available. You can just click on it and download your certificate. So this is how you need to get your certificate after completing the course. And you can just go to My Learning if you want to see what are the courses in which you have enrolled in. And this is about it. This is how you need to enroll in the course and get your certificate. So we have seen 11 free soft skills courses in this video. I hope you like this. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events, you can subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more things like job offers, internships, and other things like workshops. And you will get a lot of free courses in answersQ.com website as well. And do not forget to check out the other LinkedIn free courses in answersQ. Just go to answersQ.com, and at the top you will see a banner like this. Just click on this Get Now button, and you can get a lot of free LinkedIn learning courses in other disciplines as well, apart from this soft skills courses which we saw in this video. So make use of it. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues.